Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see you all here. My name is Ahmed, and today I would like to present you my report about the highest mountain of Europe, which called Elbrus. Uh, my report my report contains three main points, and they are: first part, I'm going to tell you about the name of the mountain. In second part, I will tell you about the history and a little about location. And in third part, we're gonna consider the Elbrus like a place of interest. That was my short introduction, and now let's move to the first part, uh, where I will tell you about the name. Uh, So this mountain has a lot of local names, and it has a lot of local names, and in, each one has a totally different, and each one sounds totally different, and has a different translation from each language. For example, I can give you some examples so you can get it. Like from one language, it's translate like happiness place, or just a toll, or what else? So, or like a snow mane, and something. That was just a little. Those were just a couple words about the name. Let's move to the second part of my presentation, where I'm gonna touch the history and the location. So the mountain stands in south part of Russia. Um, the mountain in south part of Russia, in a small republic which called Kabardino-Balkaria. Is the south part of Russia called like Northern Caucasus. So this is the highest mountain, and the mountain has two peaks, and the lower of two summits was ascended by Hilal Khachirov. This is the name of the guy. In July, in 22nd July 1829. This, that was the first man who climbed on the top of this mountain, and the higher one was ascended by English expedition. Um, Also, the mountain mentioned in Second World War, because owing to its place of highest mountain, it became the arena of like battlefield, and it was occupied by Wehrmacht in August 1942. Uh, this is some words about the history, and the third part. Let's move to the third part, where I'm gonna consider the Elbrus like a place of interest.